Share. Okay, so now you can see the you can see this picture. You can see this picture, and so you can see, uh, as for the uh, as for the as for this beam, the bottom is not a straight line. The bottom is not straight line. This part, you can see this part, is the same position like this. And because here is oblique line, here is oblique line, and you can see the cross, the cutting plane. If I use a plane cutting here, and you can see here is the cross point. Here is the cross point, and you have to use a ruler to measure the cross point. You can see the cross-section view. The cross-section view of this bottom of this beam, the cross-section view 2. The bottom is here. It's not here. So as for roof, if this one is 1 to 1 and this figure is 2 2, the bottom, the position of the bottom is not the same. But all of you send me with the same size, with the same. And as for the 3 this part is same with this one. It's okay. So it's a small details. So now nobody find. Nobody find. Okay, so please remember. So how can we get this shape? This shape is equals to this one. Is equal to this one. It's a given. It's a given left side view. It's given, and you have to get the section view 1, 2, 3 from this part and from this part, and the position of the bottom is decided by this figure. Is decided by this figure. Okay. So please check your answer. Please check your answer. Okay, and close it, and in the following time, we are going to do much more practice. Please take your pencil. Please take your pencil and draw this. Okay, now please draw the section view of this the left side. On the left side, please draw this one. With 5 to 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes.
Listen between
I will copy it to the whiteboard and translate. Okay, so uh, maybe this is the questions in the final exam. It's typical questions, and I will translate the here. The the top view and the front view is given. So please draw the the section view. The plane which the plane is one. Can you understand? We already know the front wheel and the top wheel of this finger. Please draw the section wheel which with the plane 1 1. And here is the outline of your drawing. Here is the outline of your drawing. Okay, and here you can see the dash line. So usually you have to fill some part with the hatching symbols. You just need to fill these parts. Fill these parts with the hatching symbols. So please draw this one. Can you understand this question?
Slash.
Okay. So it is not very easy than before, because now you don't know the answer. And please try to do these answers, to do these questions. So how about your answer? Can you draw it? Can you answer this question?
Just a minute, Lashi. Just a
Okay.
minute.
Okay. Okay. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Oh, very nice. Mongo has sent me his answer, and I think is right. And please, Mongo, please send it in the group. Yes, Mongjun, maybe you have you made a mistake. I will I want you to draw the section view and not the street view. I think you draw is right, but you have to draw the section view, not the view from different side. So you can see the section view, the cut plane is here. So I will show you the How about others? How about others? Yes, Yang Si, you have to some part, fill some part of your drawing with a hatching line, and okay, so yes, Fatima, you are right. Fatima, you are right. And okay, so let's see the answers. I will share you with AutoCAD, with my AutoCAD. You can see this one. Now you can see. Can you see my screen with the AutoCAD? So you can see the object is like this. And now we use the cutting plane. Yes, Jianli, you are right. Yes. And so you can see the answer like this, and we can see it in different views because I made it into a 3D view, and you can see the cutting plane, you can see the section view, okay. Okay, so let's go on. Let's do the next practice. It's much more hard. Let me see. The next one. I think this one. Yes. Okay, now I will show you the whiteboard. Nice, very nice. Okay, so now please see the whiteboard. And do this exercise. And as for this one, you have to draw the 1 to 1 and the 2 to 2. Is the questions in your exercise book is page 68. Page 68. Please finish this question. So as for the students that gave me the answers just now, such as Fatima, Jian Li, and Mongo, and I think you will get a high score if you draw like this in your final exam. Okay. And please finish this one. Please finish this one. And in the final examination, I think you in the final examination, if you send your drawing to me, and I won't say nothing. I don't say not anything. I won't say anything. And if you think that you have finished, you can send it to me, and I won't tell you if your answer is right or not. So do you finish this work? I will show you the answer with the Okay, don't worry, and please draw it, and I will show you it. I will show you with my AutoCAD. I'll show you the answer. Yes, and how about the two plane? Two wheel.
The one I'm drawing, Logic. Just a minute.
Okay. Okay, if someone don't know how to draw, and please look at my computer. Please look at your screen. You can see the answer. And here is the three views of this object. Okay, here is the three view of this object. And please image in your brain. Okay, so more art, you have to use your ruler to draw the hatching line. So I will, I copy it to your, I copy it. Don't worry, so please look at the screen and I will show the answer. I'll show the answer, show you the answer. Yes, Mongjing, yes. And for more art, you have to use a ruler to draw the hatching line. Not like this. You have to use a ruler, draw the oblique line. Each oblique line, you have to use a ruler. Okay. But when you start your exam, you have to use your ruler. The wheel, the section wheel two is not right. Let me see. The two is like this, or is like this. I will draw it. I'll draw it. Like this. Because the plane to cut this object at this position, and you can see as for this position, it is just like this area on this area. So it's like the shape is like a U shape. So I draw it with my hand, and you have to use a ruler, because I don't have ruler here. Ruler is coming soon. I don't know where it will come in. Where it coming. Okay, like this. So I draw it is not very good because I don't have ruler. If you have ruler, you have to draw much more better than me. Much more better. And some students said that they can't imagine how to draw this one, because as for this one, this one is the front view. This one is the front view, and the thick line is the outline of this object. Of course, here is the top view. Here is the top view of this object, and the dashed line, inside the wheel, means that there is a line that covered by this part. So you can see here is a dashed line. It means that this dashed line is here, and here maybe is a it's a how to say is a deep Also, as for this one, is a hole in this object. Is a hole. The shape is this hole. The shape is a rectangle. Is a rectangle. This dashed line is equal to this one. This one. These two. This 2 point. This one. Also, as for this one, this is equal to this, and for this dash line, this 2 dash line is same with this one. It is like a hole. It is like a hole that's in AutoCAD. You can see here is the hole. Here is the hole. If I delete the plane, if I delete it, okay. So I'll move it. So okay. So now you can see the whole body of this object. The whole body of this object. So you can see this is a object that with some horse, and here is the dash line. Here is the dash line, and also this one is the dash line. Okay. So like this, and I will send it in the WeChat group, and if you have the AutoCAD, and you can, I think you can open this file. You can open this file. I think that there are only several students always send me the work, the homework, and the exercise in the class. So I'm afraid that others. I'm not sure if other students can draw well, can draw better in the final exam. So I'm afraid that because I hope that all of you can pass the exam. Okay, and the time may be at the next week. Because today is the 13th. Today is the 13th week. Today is 13th week, and maybe the exam is at the 15th week. 15th week.
Can we print the whole book?
You want to print the book?
Yes.
You mean this exercise book? If you of course you can print this exercise book and do exercise, but in the final exam you have to draw in your exam paper. You can't draw on your exercise book. You can't. And just if you just want to do exercise, it's okay for you to print it. Of course you can. And I promise that all the questions are from this exercise book. From this exercise book. And also, okay, so it's time to finish our class. And as for the next one, next class, the final class, I will we are going to do the review about the topographic drawing. About topographic, because there must be 1 or 2 topographic drawings in the final exam, and I think you also need some practice. You also need practice to do the how to draw the section line between two surfaces in the 3 dimensions, and the cross line between the slope and the ground. Okay. like this one, like this, and I will show you this one. Yes, as for this one, it will be appeared in the exam, and also this one, this kind of questions is very technical, and this one not, and this one this one is very typical, this one. And you can print out the exercise book and do the exercise after class. There are half months before the final exam. Okay, it's enough time for you to do the reviews, to practice. Okay, in the final class, let's do this exercise together. Okay, so